connected with the Master of the universe, what pleasure it gives you in your soul. You're getting connected, you're glued to the endless source of life. With one commandment, you get connected. That's the point of the mitzvah. Mitzvah also comes from the word hamshacha. You pull down. When I do a commandment, I pull down a godly light. When I do a commandment, I open up this channel, and through this channel, I bring down godly light to the world. And why do our sages say schar mitzvah mitzvah? The reward of the mitzvah is the mitzvah, because I'm getting this access to this godly light. This is the whole point of a sin. I'm pushing this light. I'm lacking now this light. So any mitzvah, it corresponds to one channel that opens this pipe, a spiritual pipe, that through this godly light comes to the world. So why should I do only 20? Why should I need to do 100%? Why should I lack? Now the thing is that the easiest way to explain it, I find that technology can teach us all about what we need about how we can relate with God. The reason why we got technology now is so we can relate in a more deep way to God. And anything in technology teaches you how you can find something in godliness. And you see, I don't know if you remember, you look young, 20 years ago, you know how the internet connection was? Dial-up. It was through a phone. Now, you would connect your internet, then you would want to send an email, it will take you 10 minutes to send an email. If you remember, I would sit next to the computer like this, and you would hear this noise. 10 minutes it took to send an email. To open a picture, to watch a video. But now, to send an email, you send 100 emails like that, you can stream movies, no problem. Because the connection is broad. Then it was dial-up, so you would ride on another connection, so the connection was so weak, so took a time to transfer the information. Now, so you can stream a video like that, you can watch a movie on your phone. Why? What's the difference? The connection is much greater. So 20 years ago when it was dial-up, you barely sent an email. Now you have a broad connection, broadband, so the connection is good, so you stream, the information is moving faster. Same thing with God. I said before that we have 613 strings connecting us to the master. If I start cutting these strings, then I go to dial-up. If I cut it completely, no Wi-Fi, nothing. I want to connect myself to all these channels. Then I get this abundance from God. That's another way you were asking how you have to create all these channels, because each channel brings you a different type of blessing, a godly light. One will affect your health, one will affect your sustenance, one will affect your relationship, one will affect your body. Each channel affects something else, and if you don't have all of them, you have a very bad connection. So every little act that it says in the Bible, there's a reason for that. God is not making our life hard. All the commandment is not to annoy us. Not only that, it's not to annoy. A lot of people say, there's so many rules. Can I just be a good person? No, these rules are tools. Are tools how I can connect myself to my Creator.